G'day Doug, back with another video. Today we're talking Premieres 2.0. Boom. What is the Premieres 2.0? What is a Premiere? A Premiere is basically a way of showing a brand new video on your channel to a bunch of people at the same time. A bit like a live stream, a bit like a new video. It's a bit like going to see a movie on opening night. It's all that and more. Now you've seen on the existing Premieres, which has been around for a couple of years now, that you have like a live stream chat. You can interact with your audience whilst they're watching your new video. They can drop super chats, they can ask questions and all that sort of stuff. But that was pretty much it. But now with 2.0, these are the things that you're able to do. You're able to, on the scheduled Premieres page, have a trailer play when they come along so they can get hyped for your video. You can hype them, give them information, remind them to set a reminder for the premiere, which it might be coming up in a couple of days' time or something like that. You can have the premiere redirect to a live stream after it's finished. Great for if you want to open up a Q&A session afterwards. People can ask about your video, talk about things that are in your video. Great if you're doing like a mini movie or mini documentary. People can ask questions, people can support maybe a cause that you're promoting, anything like that. The other thing you can do is have a live stream lead into your premiere. So you can do like a hype stream and get people hyped for your new video and then have them all stick around because they'll all automatically be funneled into watching your premiere right after your live stream has ended. Pretty good features, I think. And what's coming later this year to Premieres 2.0, which isn't available yet, is a way of actually customizing the countdown screen. At the moment, you've got the generic one countdown type that YouTube give you, but later this year, they're going to give you options. They're going to give you a choice. So you can pick one that suits the theme of your video. But more on that when that goes live. Let's get right into the video. I'll show you how to set up a scheduled premiere, how to add a trailer, how to redirect it to a live stream afterwards, and even how to go from a live stream to a premiere. Let's do it. Well, on YouTube Studio, I'm already in my content page. Prerequisite is you need your video that is going to be the premiere video, and I've also uploaded the video that shall be the trailer that we want to show as the trailer for the premiere. So I've got both of those sitting here on the top, these top two videos that you can see here. At the moment, I've got the premiere video, which is this one here. I've got that scheduled for February 10, but I'm going to actually set the time for the premiere and turn it into a premiere as part of this tutorial to walk you through the process. And part of the process is we're going to add the premiere trailer, which is here. So the prerequisites is you need to make sure they're uploaded. Now I've uploaded that second one, which is a trailer just as an unlisted video, straight away unlisted. Don't want it to publish to my subscriber feed or anything like that. Don't need notifications to go out for that. So that is what we're doing there. All right, Premieres 2.0, let's do it. I'm gonna go into schedule. And first thing you can see is I can set the time, but then I can check the box that says set as premiere. And once I do that, that'll take me into the additional steps that we're going to need to set up the premiere, add the trailer, and the other things we would like to do with this one. So first of all, I need to figure out a time. Bear with me while I figure out the time. I'll jump forward and I'll figure out the time. And I figured out the time, so let's set that now. I'm going to set the time from February 8, Monday. And I'm going to make that premiere for 11:30. I'm going to set as premiere. Now you can see we get this little cross here, set up premiere. We're going to want to click into this. And first of all, we want to select the trailer. We want to set the trailer to my premiere trailer, this one here. Simple as that. Now I've made the trailer, you can see is 1 minute 18 seconds. The recommended time, according to YouTube, is between 1 to 3 minutes for your trailer. So I've made mine just over a minute, minute 18. It basically tells them about the video they're about to see the premiere of, when it goes live, and reminding them to set the reminder on the premiere view page, and also to stick around after the premiere for a special Q&A live stream. Where to redirect viewers. Now what I want to have happen is have people join the premiere, and then at the end of the premiere we want them to be taken straight into my live stream where we're going to do a Q&A where people can ask questions about the premiere, about Premieres 2.0 and so forth. So we're going to do that right now. Now it's going to ask me what live stream. Now I haven't set up a live stream for it to go to yet. So what I need to do is preset a live stream. So I'm going to do that right now and come back and show you the details on that in just a second. We jump back across to here to select it. It's just going to like a default live stream, but we're gonna run with that now. So I've got two things that here. Trailers can be 15 seconds, 3 minutes long, and play until the countdown begins. So just an overview of the setup, the Premiere window here. It says the trailer can be selected from one of your public or unlisted uploads. So it can be public or unlisted, preferably unlisted in my opinion. As long as it has the same audience as the Premiere. You always select and add a trailer later. Well, we've selected it now. Select where to redirect viewers. We're sending it to a live stream afterwards. We click save, and we're gonna finally schedule, which is gonna make the Premiere page, and then I'm gonna show you what happens when people go to the Premiere page. All right, we got the Premiere here. Here it is. As a potential viewer, my Premiere is set up for 11:30 p.m. on the 8th of February. So when I go into there, it's going to show me my trailer. You can see my trailer is about to start playing. Here we go. So when people come before the Premiere goes live, then they're going to see this trailer that I put together, which is promoting the actual Premiere, reminding them to set the reminder, which is in this little toggle here, set the reminder. It tells them to click the reminder button, and it says set reminder here. Got another video that it's sending it to, and a subscribe option, so there's still the ability for people, while they're waiting for the Premiere, they can go and watch another video. So that's helpful as well. So we're keeping people on our own content. We can leave them a little message here, which we can pin. You can see what I've done is I've pinned the comment, even though it wasn't done on my own channel, it was done on my alt channel. But the message is still valid, it's got my name on it. I pinned it anyway. But ideally you pin it from, your proper yellow tagged streaming account. This page is available all the way from now until the Premiere goes live, which will be on Monday evening my time, which will be a nice and early Monday morning for some of you. By the time you see the video, the Premiere is done and dusted. So far we have seen that with Premieres 2.0 we have been able to add a trailer, which has happened successfully. We're playing back the trailer, beautiful, looks nice, love it. Second thing we can do is redirect the Premiere to go to a live stream after the Premiere, which I've set up. I need to tweak the description and things on that particular live stream, make sure it's all synced up, which I will do, but I've given you the basic premise. One more thing you can do, which I'm not going to do with this one, but I will explain it to you. There is a way to actually redirect a live stream into a Premiere. Now we're going to go to the help documents that I've saved for this particular thing. So let me just open those up. So what we've done so far, and I've showed you how to do, is how to set up to show a trailer, which we've got, and it's working. We've seen it working here. We can monetize by, obviously, we've enabled ads on the Premiere, which I've done when I uploaded it, of course, because it's like a normal video. Whilst it's live and whilst the page is available even beforehand, people can drop super chats in anticipation of the Premiere, during the Premiere. Okay, and this is what we can do, is send your live stream audience to a Premiere. This is the third option, which is having the live stream go into a Premiere instead of a Premiere going into a live stream, which can be handy if you want to hype a new video with your crew. Somebody who does this in the manual method at the moment, a good friend of mine, Travis MCP, a tech YouTuber.
What up, players? Welcome back, and for all you new people, welcome.
He does his Saturday live streams, and immediately after usually releases a new video, and then they drive the hype train from the live stream right into the video. He gets those initial views on that Saturday video from the live stream, which helps the view velocity on the new video, gives it a lot of engagement off the top, and so there's YouTube are more likely inclined to share it out because there's a whole heck of people jumping on it as soon as it's released. So that's a handy method here. Now they're telling me that what you can do is create a live stream, and then if you go click edit on the live stream, from the live stream live redirect, go to choose a Premiere. Let's see if we can figure this one out by going back to our live streaming section here, which if I had an existing, say I had another live stream we're going to schedule a fake live stream here. Then we're going to go into the edit. And then we get edit here. There's a live redirect, which is right here. Now, live redirect, this is where I can come in and actually select that I want to redirect this live stream into this premiere. So I can click on that and then click save. And so what will happen is, as soon as I end my live stream, if I want to lead into it, what is supposed to happen, let's jump back to your audience will be sent there after your live stream ends. Simple as that. This is one sentence, it explains it. So if I start this live stream, do my live stream, hype up the premiere, and then I say, I'll see you in the premiere, stay right where you are, we're going to roll right into it, end my live stream, then the premiere will start. They'll do a start countdown, or people will be on the page. If I finish a couple of minutes early, they might be on the preview page until the countdown starts, because obviously the premiere is not going to start until 11:50 p.m. Now, I'm not going to really redirect this because I'm not going to do a live stream before this premiere. I'm going to go premiere live stream, not live stream premiere. But you could essentially do a pre-stream, hype your premiere, do your premiere, and when that's done, go back to a new live stream and do your Q&A. So that is a doable thing as well. So this is how you set it up all in this process. So what things have we got? We've got the trailer. We've got a redirect to a live stream after the premiere and a redirect from a live stream before the premiere. So there's the three new things that you can do in Premieres 2.0 on YouTube. Why not try it yourself? Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to know more about other features of YouTube that I cover, then check this one out. It's all about how to add timestamps to your videos. Did it last year. Cameo from Roberto Blake. Watch that one, and I'll catch you next time.
Subscribe to Hewson YT for more tech for content creation.